His level of intimidation has only increased, not decreased. The new
Like it or not, dogs will give you opportunities to practice your work. The dog thought the old man was playing with it.
This is good, huh? Oh, my food. Came in my mouth.
Ooh!
Thank you. Yep, no problem.
He's cold but romantic-like.
Image of a lovely train running on rice.
The beginning for boxing enthusiasts.
The honey badger doesn't have a fight or flight response. Fight or fight more. Save Dad. That's a hostage situation.
Huh?
Sign that your pup skipped class about frisbee at dog school.
Downward dog.
This dog's got better yoga game than I do, for real.
And then stretch your other leg. Very good. You're really...
Now, this store probably knows why they are not profitable.
Watch and learn. This pup's not just doggy paddling, he's runaway material.
Quick update. Kai is a big humper.
He's trying to think fast on how to get out of this.
And a lot of the dogs did not like it. He is social, but he's more concerned about...
He seems to have found a new favorite toy.
Hold him up.
The sign of a close couple, an extrovert and an introvert. You think I like bland colors like that?
Meet the giant phantom jellyfish. 10 meters of arms, 0 stingers.
Have nothing to do? Talking with the dustpan might be a good idea.
When Cat loses a bet to her pup brother.
Husky logic. If your face isn't frozen, are you even having fun?
What?
I'm glad you guys are enjoying my lunch. Oh, why are you running away, Freya? Why are you running away?
If you want to blame your lunch for being too tempting.
And you just don't feel...
When you accidentally book a free facial massage.
Meet the self-appointed fashion police. He's making an arrest.
Playing alone is always the best feeling. The dog thought the old man was playing with it. Not only can this cat climb trees, but this cat can also climb on glass doors.
Okay.
How much stronger can food make him?
Nope. Birthday candles in a new style.
哎呦，这么牛逼！
Once he wants it, nothing can stop him.
An extremely professional acrobat.
Experience with animals today. Thanks for watching.
When the nanny loves your child more than you do. How to make a baby laugh. Just being a dog.
You okay? Is it scaring you?
It's not hard to get your nails filed for free. What's life? It's our DJ Parrot with his iconic head shaking. I hope your boss will understand why you missed the deadline.
Who knew our future king of the jungle's not a big fan of otters?
Not proportional to the body.
You watch pitching performance.
祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快。
To my dream dress, only to see its unbelievable price.
Come here, come.
Guess who just got back from the Hess?
It's time to get up.
If you want to wake this girl up, you have to use this method, human. When your pets decide to remake that iconic 2000s movie, Freaky Friday.
Every one of us has once had a friendship like this.
You're lazy but still have to complete the KPI for the zoo.
Morning exercise to lose weight.
Here's two options. Give this boy a hat or don't wear a hat at all.
Over the obstacle when you can just be a limbo champion. This is not just a pool, it's a lifestyle, splashing and sunbathing with precision.
This phone is okay after knowing its fate. When your home has a passionate singer performing with his whole body.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Not the weather, this is the people who bring disasters to humans.
When the caffeine finally kicks in. When you have an extroverted child. The new
Favorite taste on a human's body.
He's so mean.
Do the thing!
So sick.
Who said the balls could not be rock fans? Look at him and think again.
Late for feeding might activate Kitty's scratchy mode. Is this a cutscene from the newest Mission Impossible?
It's time for her to think about car rentals.
It seems that standing on two legs helps him to talk better.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today we're diving into the world's most unexpected animal friendships. Let's go! Comment gets featured in our next video. See you!
That's not a really nice move as a rival, my kitty in the ocean.
Oh my god!
POV, you are a former employee of the circus.
This pup side-eye could rival a teenager's.
How to make exercise more enjoyable.
You look creep!
That's not a dog. That's an undercover acrobat on a mission.
Guys,
Anyone want to go to this fan meeting with me?
Majestic on land, but suddenly he's Bambi when the waves come. The humpback whales call it bubble net feeding. Their teamwork is magnificent.
A-list celebrity on red carpet photo taking session.
No. No.
Proof that sometimes miscommunication is a sweet thing. Every step is a calculated tactical maneuver.
What in the 101 Dalmatians is going on here?
Yeah, no problem. That's not what I was expecting.
Just testing the grass is green. This dog's nibbling is basically a masterclass in refined dining.
When your home has a passionate singer performing with his whole body.
This looks like a scene from a fantasy movie.
How I smile after taking my braces off.
For you, Mr. Eagle.
Nope.
hey.
Nope.
Hey.
I bet.
What are you doing?
Hello, beautiful lady. Would you like to have a date today?
Hide it. Dig more tomorrow.
Gordon Ramsay's dog looks like.
Kitty is always the person who responds to all human games. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next episode.
For you, Mr. Eagle.
Give up if you want to understand Kitty completely.
Oh my god.
The homeless friend who likes the idle life will end today's video. See you soon. How much money does she pay for this service?
Oh my god.
No need to pay, but this boy can still skate.
That's not a dog. That's an undercover acrobat on a mission.
Guys, excuse me.
Intense action movie scene with different camera angles.
Are always curious about moving things.
Ollie, look at me. What are you doing? Oh my god.
I'm dog sitting and I need you to see Hazel.
An entire chicken parm! A whole chicken! Do you have any idea what you've done? It was $20!
Point of view, suddenly meeting your ex-boyfriend. Those in love will understand him.
Helping humans to clearly observe the situation around them must be the purpose of this kind dog.
Sleep, but still don't forget that I'm in a war.
Have nothing to do? Talking with the dustpan might be a good idea.
Is playing.
If no one gives you clothes to wear, find them yourself.
For everything that you do for us, Lord Jesus, and we want to be sure that we don't just tell you our
Cats learn judo and cats don't. how to get a moving service for free.
In a fight or flight situation, this cat definitely chose fly.
When you stay up all night because of
Remember that there is no support fee.
Puppy invents a brand new way to test a watermelon. Literally every twin out there.
Still no pull. Get the shockers.
Point of view, boyfriend returned from a tiring day at work.
Hey, du Chaos Queen.
The flavored water ingredient, Moose are naturally afraid of new things, but this one is quite brave. Behold, the world's highest stakes marathon. The prize is a piece of snacks.
Remember, not everyone he wants to be close to, man.
Crazy Coco. At it again.
He's going. Loki, whisper. Yes, good boy. Good boy.
I'm a statue. I can't see anything.
This girl, when seriously talking, is very similar to us.
What are you doing?
Not everyone can touch this beauty.
Blood, no problems. That's what Mother Nature gives to starfish.
In the ocean.
Oh my god!
POV. You are a former employee of the circus.
Too stuck in the way. Excuse me for a moment.
You dig for progress, he digs for chaos. Bye-bye productivity today.
When you need an example of telepathy, dancing is for everyone, even the dog. It's not hard to get your nails filed for free. It turns out that my fur still has something softer.
True image of the saying, get an egg to fight a stone.
When the nanny loves your child more than you do. The abuse of a daring thief. Owning a special pillow like this is unique in the world.
Hold him up.
Give me that carrot. Give it to me.
Not bring up that big pillow. Stop bringing it.
I can't imagine sleeping without this pillow.
Not.
This one's definitely seen Prison Break. He is 100% sure this dog is just a very hairy cousin.
Creating trouble for himself must be his part-time job. Their fight is more intense than the movies in TV.
Isn't that cute? There's two birds with them.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to go right by your head, Debbie, just a second.
He wants him to get off.
Probably tickles. I'm gonna zoom.
Our video for today is over. See you in the next video.
No, 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 no.
Time to learn how to use the brake.
You get to set the traffic rule if you are cute enough. My entire class after I open a bag of snacks.
Low-key people when it's time to communicate with the world. An extremely professional acrobat.
Listen up, everybody. Suspect is hairy, barefoot, and often steals picnic baskets.
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius.
My name is Pablo Juan Carlos Alejandro González María Lucia Mendoza Macarena Chipotle Tapatio con queso guacamole Ferreira Santiago Rodriguez, but everybody calls me Bobby.
That's going a bit far.
I promise you this. I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
How many points are you worth for this intelligence?
It's not the destination, it's the journey.
To the finish line, and the crowd's gonna go crazy. Listen to the...
Breaking news. Featherly crime in town. Keep your belongings where it's safe.
Honestly, if I were the dog, I'd react the same way.
I guess this child is busy dreaming of tuna.
Dogs can be caring, intelligent, and considerate, even in the most ordinary.
This tree will belong to me, human.
Who said that the perfect date does not exist?
You are cowardly but still want to ask for someone else's phone number.
Puppy has officially resigned from the walking department. The honey badger doesn't have a fight or flight response. Fight or fight more.
I want a job here.
Alpaca fat, get off my bum! Just give me a wedgie.
You have.
do you have, Mama? You're such a good girl, Zuzu. You're such a good mommy.
This dog is me after 1 full-time job and 2 part-times.
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not.
Don't forget to deduct the security guard's salary this month.
The VIP customer seems satisfied with today's special menu.
He's your best friend.
Wait.
Why is this door so hard to open today? My wife scolds me again.
He seems to have found his own mask.
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not.
Rushing to my dream dress, only to see its unbelievable price.
Come here, come.
Guess who just got back from the hair?
Is there a kissing course you want to give them vouchers?
Proof that sometimes miscommunication is a sweet thing.
Queen Bee popping off for Pride Month.
Okay. Is everyone okay? Is there still a kitten over there? They're so brave. Look at you.
Just a cool place is enough. And people say dogs should rule the world. Even chasing the leash's end is difficult.
Stop licking outlets.
Helpful advice will always be accepted. Or not.
You son of...
You're such a baby. You're a baby. You're a baby.
That's why they're called ankle sharks at that age.
Where can I buy tickets to this magic show?
Nightmares are no longer scary when you're always protected.
Volleyball is for everyone, even those with short legs.
The committee looks intense.
Mo.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
They have ever met in their lives.
Just finally relaxing on a Friday evening after cleaning all day and...
Listen up, everybody. Suspect is hairy, barefoot, and often steals picnic baskets.
How to activate shy cat mode. Wait until they pump their head. Ouch! Ouch! It's our DJ Parrot with his iconic head shaking. This girl, when seriously talking, is very similar to us.
Hey, leave her alone. Oh, baby. Oh my god, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh.
Norman, do you want to go for a walk?
They have ever met in their lives.
Just finally relaxing on a Friday evening after cleaning all day and...
The dog-kitty relationship is always interesting, isn't it? Tell us about you.
Thank you.
Yep, no problem. Thank you.
Those eyes are pure judgmental alarm clocks. Is that a new shade? Because it's confusing my senses. This looks like a scene from a fantasy movie.
There's always a clumsy one like this in a group of close friends.
Norman, do you want to go for a walk?
You're lazy, but still have to complete the KPI for the zoo.
I guess she's into girls.
How much money does she pay for this service?
Oh my god.
Comment if your group has a person who likes to create his own path.
Oh, whoa!
This playground is my own. I've already marked it all.
No wonder. It's a husky.
Hope his butt is still intact after these interactions.
Those eyes are pure judgmental alarm clocks.
Volleyball is for everyone, even those with short legs.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Get ready for the weirdest and most hilarious facts about your favorite creatures.
Isn't that cute? There's two birds with them.
Okay, I'm gonna try to go right by your head, Debbie, just a second.
He wants him to get off.
Probably tickles. I'm gonna zoom.
Gentle.
What?
Some things are exclusive and cannot be shared.
Kitten's like, I didn't sign up for this level of cardio, bro.
When the caffeine finally kicks in.
A gentleman must keep his tidiness at all times.
So how do you relax on the weekend? Let us know.
If you have ever wondered why there are no bird golfers, this is why.
No need to pay, but this boy can still skate.
Elegance is important until safety comes first.
The beginning for boxing enthusiasts.
intense action movie scene with different camera angles.
Hide it. Dig more tomorrow. Two baby goats are having their play date.
So much fun.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Get ready for the absolute wildest animal fails that are guaranteed to make you cry laughing.
Oh my god!
Now we know who to turn to.
Good girl. Well done.
Meet the giant phantom jellyfish. 10 meters of arms, 0 stingers.
The dog's playing a game with its owner. What in the 101 Dalmatians is going on here?
Yeah, no problem. That's not what I was expecting.
Hold, our vegetable grinder 3000, where veggies become vroom vroom with a fluffy touch.